How to set up free shipping over amount in Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how we can actually set this up. Now, I believe this is actually a new feature in Squarespace because it did not exist before. And no, it is not from the shipping settings. It's still not implemented in there. Instead, we will have to work our way around it a little bit, but it is actually very, very simple now. So if we just go to settings from our Squarespace account and go to settings here, and if we just go to the selling option, here you can just go in and first set up your shipping options. So just go ahead and add shipping option, and you can just make it flat rate. And you can see here already, we don't have, shipping over, for example, X amount and so on. We don't really have this option here. So just go ahead and feel free to set up a normal shipping option. This is the first step in order to do so. So you can actually make it paid, obviously, with a flat rate or whatever it may be. But now what we can do is actually set up the free shipping over X amount. And to do so, we will want to go back to our Squarespace interface. And this is the newest one, by the way. Just go to products and services here. And then we want to generate discounts. So just go ahead and click on discounts. Now here's the thing. The discounts are going to be available for your customers, but it's not going to be auto applied for them unless you have a specific plan, which I forgot which one it was, which is going to allow customers to just have the code auto applied for them. But if you don't have that plan, then you would want to just it's just going to generate a code for them and they can just apply it, and if they do apply it, they will end up getting the discount. So anyways, how do we actually achieve this? First, go to add discount on the top right. And then here you would want to just give it a name. So maybe free shipping over $50 or something. There you go. Just any name. This is just going to, they will be able to actually see it as well. So just make sure it is a professional name, but at the same time, something that you could recognize easily. The trigger is going to be a discount code. And if you have the plan, respectively, you would want to have automatic discount as well. You have the option to do so, but we can't really do so right now. And then you would want to generate code here. You can just go ahead and actually use it here. And this is going to be the code that customers will be able to use at checkout to get that free shipping option. Now the promotion is going to be % off by default. You want to change this to free shipping or local delivery. This is the one we want. This is the one that we want. I'm not sure what's happening to me right now. But anyways, we want to apply that one. And then here we have applies to, it says any order, but we want to change this to orders over. So just go ahead and select that, and then you would want to select the amount that you want to have free shipping when it's actually past that. So we want $50 now. So any orders over $50 are going to have free shipping. This is going to apply to all shipping options, but if you wanted to apply to only local delivery ones, you can also choose that. But I'm just going to keep it as all shipping options. Once that's done, we can just go to limit total uses. This is going to be whether it's going to be unlimited or limited uses. It's completely up to you. If it is limited, then you would want to also specify how many times people will be able to use it. I'm just going to set it up to unlimited, and then maybe I can just deactivate it manually if I don't really want it to continue anymore. And then here we can also limit one per customer. This way, you can actually set this up so only they can use it once per account, but you will need to actually upgrade to use this. And then there's also more options here, like subscription products. And so, if you want to exclude them or just have them all, it does not really matter here. Just go ahead and set those up and just click on save. And now this discount is going to be pretty much working for you. And whenever someone buys over $50 or whichever amount that you actually set up, they will get the discount and it's going to be free shipping. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.